40K as freelancer, pwede ba gawing 25K i-file kong taxable and 15K for allowance for tax shield? Prepare lang ako ng mga receipts, pwede ba yon? The answer is hindi po pwede. Hindi pwedeng tayo lang gagawa ng expenses para mapababa yung taxable income natin at para mapababa yung tax, di ba? May mga legal ways naman for freelancer. Syempre kung 40K yung income mo, 40K yung ipa-file mong income. We file what we earn. Mga legal ways, yung pipiliin mo kung anong tax option yung best sa'yo as a freelancer. Isa na nga dun yung 8% income tax rate option na simple tax compliance. So nandun na yung word ng tax mo, 8%. Paglagpas ng 250K income. So meron ka namang non-taxable na 250K per year. Tapos yung other option, yung graduated income tax rate, dalawa naman yon, optional standard deduction or yung itemized deduction. Ayun yung mga pwede mong gawin na tax planning as a freelancer na legal siya.
If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.